What are you guys doing?
We're making a gingerbread house.
Oh, why don't you show me your... Harrison, you show me first. What's your house looking like here?
Come on.
Is that the back?
Well, this is the back, and then this is the left. This is the front. Then this is the right. Then it's the back, and then here's the roof. I got blue sprinkles, and then green sprinkles over here.
Good. Is that fun?
Yeah. And
Okay.
I got candy bars for the windows and the door.
Cool. All right, Isabella, show me your house. Oh my goodness. Let's see the front. We might call your house the M&M house. Huh. Can you turn around the other side so I can see the other side? Alright, let's put at the back. Oh my goodness. M&M and dots, huh?
And 0.
Yep, we're working on it, huh? What do you think, sweetheart?
Good.
Is it fun? Okay, say bye.
Bye. Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.